अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आपका मेज़बान यासिर शामी आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है और आप देख रहे हैं डेली पाकिस्तान। आज मैं मौजूद हूँ जर्मनी से आई हुई उस खूबसूरत खातून के पास जिनका नाम है सोनिया, जिन्होंने 2016 में एक पाकिस्तानी लड़के इमरान के साथ शादी की। इमरान भाई हमारे दरमियान मौजूद नहीं हैं, वो आउट ऑफ सिटी हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम उनको इनके साथ बिठाकर इंटरव्यू नहीं कर सके। सोनिया का सबसे बड़ा जो क्रेडिट है, इन्होंने इस्लाम कबूल किया। इस्लाम कबूल करने के बाद ना सिर्फ इस्लामी तालीमात पर मुकम्मल तौर पर अपने आप को इन्होंने पाबंद बनाया, बल्कि मेरा कैमरा आपको ये भी दिखा सकता है कि इन्होंने हमारा कौमी लिबास शलवार कमीज़ जो है वो भी ज़ेब तन कर रखा है, जबकर हया का जो एक दुपट्टा है वो भी एक पाकिस्तानी ट्रेडिशन और इस्लामी तालीमात को जो रिप्रेजेंट करता है वो भी इन्होंने अपने ज़ेब तन कर रखा है। सोनिया की जो सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी है इस्लाम कबूल करने के बाद वो ये है कि इन्होंने ना सिर्फ कुरान शरीफ को पढ़ा, इस पर अमल किया, इसके अलावा ये मज़ीद कुरान शरीफ और अहादीस पर स्टडीज़ भी कर रही हैं और मज़ीद इसकी रिसाइटेशंस भी कर रही हैं और फ्यूचर में इनका हज और उम्रा करने का भी प्लान है। तो बिला तमहीद इनकी तरफ बढ़ते हैं और इनसे बात करते हैं और इनसे पूछते हैं कि पाकिस्तान में रहकर इनको कैसा महसूस हुआ और ये क्या क्या पाकिस्तानी खाने बना सकती हैं। सबसे पहले इनकी तरफ बढ़ते हैं और इनसे बात करते हैं। Thank you so much, Sonia, for giving us your precious time. Tell me, when did you guys meet for the first time?
We met for the first time in Germany. We worked in the same company and there our ways crossed.
So what is your husband's name?
It's Imran. His name is Imran.
What he is doing here?
We are doing business together. We are having a company together and we are importing perfumes from a brand called Loris. It's a European brand and we are selling the products here and distributing the products in Pakistan.
I'm going to ask you something personal. Was it a love at first sight or it was a regular staring?
So it was something at first sight, yes. You can't say it was like a Lollywood movie, music is playing, people are dancing. It was not like that, but in our heads I think it was like that a little bit, yes. So yeah, a little bit fancy romantic.
Have you accepted Islam before or later?
I accepted Islam like now probably 6 years, nearly 6 years, 5 to 6 years ago, before the marriage.
In 2011 or 12?
Yeah, 2012. In the end of 2000.
And when did you get married?
2016 in February.
Do you have any kids?
No, not until now.
So in Pakistan, are you able to make Pakistani traditional foods or not?
Yeah, obviously with a Pakistani husband, I have to learn some Pakistani dishes, but I am able to cook biryani and also sweet dishes like gulab jamun. I love gulab jamun. That's actually too bad. I'm a nutrition scientist. I'm cooking those sweet things, but I'm able to cook those things now. Yes.
Can you cook mutton biryani or chicken biryani for our audience?
Right now, that's I could probably do that. I don't like mutton a lot, but for the people I would do that probably.
And white korma.
Oh yeah, white korma, obviously that's my favorite.
Chapli kebab.
Yeah, I could, but I'm not this much big into meat. So.
Beef biryani.
Beef. With chicken, everything with chicken is fine. So I could cook also something with beef, yes.
So all these dishes, have you learned from somewhere or someone else?
Majority of dishes I tried first from somebody else and I thought I want to cook that. I like that. I want to cook that. So I tried it and it went on a German way. So it worked out, but a little bit German. So I just read in some cooking books and had, of course, some Pakistani friends. But yeah, I was just practicing. So now I can do it.
Did you eat वाकई बड़ा shawarma 30 रुपए का? Did you eat shawarma?
Yes, sometimes.
वाकई बड़ा shawarma 30 रुपए का.
Okay, yeah, sometimes. Yeah, sometimes we do. If we are really hungry and on the way, yes, we do that.
It's sort of fast food.
Okay.
Burger and shawarmas.
Yeah, but that's so.
वाकई बड़ा shawarma 30 रुपए का.
It's so bad, so unhealthy. But sometimes we do that, like everybody does that. So, yeah, but it's unhealthy, obviously, and it's very spicy. I need to be careful with spices a little bit, but yes, it's good sometimes.
Okay. Sonia, can you please share your experience after coming to Pakistan?
My first impression with Pakistan was a tourist impression. I came here because my husband was Pakistani, so I came here for tourism first of all. And the first impression was, okay, it's not cold in winter. That's so nice because in Germany it's freezing cold all the time. only a few months a year it's not cold. So that was something very nice in the first impression. But the most important thing about Pakistan, obviously, is it's not a terrorist country. Those fake news spreading around the world, that makes me so angry because you don't see that here. You don't see anything threatening. And people are asking me, are you not afraid there? Also in Germany, some of my people from the family are asking that. Some friends are asking that. You're not afraid? No, I'm not afraid. What they are showing you, that's happening 0.01% of the time, and it's not the normal Pakistani life.
Then you should tell them it's a tourist place, not a terrorist place.
Absolutely, it is a tourist place. Pakistan has all varieties of climates. You have mountains, you have deserts, you have the beach, you have everything.
And we have Imran Khan.
And you have Imran Khan now. I will not say anything politically, but Imran Khan, I can just do that. So
He's a very good international cricket player.
yeah, that's true. He was. So yeah.
He was, he is.
Yeah, he still is, but politically he's also doing something good for the country. So.
Sonia, do you know what does it mean by batti chali gayi hai, batti aa gayi hai?
Yeah, load shedding, obviously. Everybody knows that in Pakistan, I think so. But you get used to that very fast. But sometimes it's just cozy. No light is there, so you have to sit with your family.
Then you have to say with me, batti chali gayi hai, batti aa gayi hai.
Yeah.
Batti chali gayi hai,
Okay, do it again.
batti
Batti
chali gayi hai,
chali gayi.
batti aa gayi hai.
Batti aa gayi.
Batti chali gayi hai,
Batti chali gayi.
batti aa gayi hai.
Batti aa gayi. Okay, that's. Is it Punjabi?
Yeah, it's Punjab.
I really have issues with Punjabi. That's not so easy for me. So
Do you know how to speak Punjabi?
I can understand it, but I'm afraid to speak it because it's very loud and it's really difficult for my tongue. I cannot pronounce those words. I cannot form those
Oh,
sounds.
teri.
Yeah, something like that. I listened that very many times.
Sonia, you decided to stay here in Pakistan. What are the main reasons to choose Pakistan instead of Germany?
The first impressions I had with Pakistan, so the hospitality of the people, obviously, the countryside, you have everything here, so you don't need any other country. You have a desert, you have the mountains, you have cold areas, warm areas, you have beach, you have everything, and it's so lively. Lahore especially, like everybody's saying lo lore, so,
La lore.
so that's definitely
Say it again.
lo lore. So that's definitely it. Lahore is so lively and full of colors and food, obviously food also, but it's just different if you compare it with Germany. Of course you have a structure, of course it's the road, that's one thing. Yeah, the road structure, I'm missing the road structure from Germany. That's the only thing in Pakistan which I need to get used to a little bit more, but that's really everything. Yeah, if I think about that. So Germany
But we are trying to make double story motorway, you know.
Okay, but I'm waiting for that. I'm patient. That's not the big issue, so I'm staying patient and waiting for that. So yeah, but that's really everything. So in Germany, it's cold, it's structured, yes, but I love that colorful life here and the hospitality of the people, the food, the culture, the history. Mughal history is amazing. So I'm fitting in that country. So
How you find Lahore?
Lahore is just amazing. Lahore is full of life, full of colors, and of course the food.
Did you eat Fajr Pave?
It's an old Lahore, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ate that.
Did you eat Bashir di Machi?
Of course, yes.
What is Machi?
The fish.
Fish. So at the end, what was your experience regarding Islam? Tell to our audience.
So Islam was for me something first when I came to Islam completely. I had no connection to Islam, no friends, no family involved in Islam. So I was completely blank. So nobody influenced me, nothing at all. So I started from zero and started with the basic, of course, with the Quran. So and for me it was. It just grabbed me and it didn't want to let me go. So I was catched with the Quran and I needed to read it over and over, and everything I read was so logical and fitting to me, to my life and to my point of views about the world and everything. So I said that's the only logical decision for me to take to get a Muslim. So that was my...
So do you get comfort and inner satisfaction after accepting Islam?
Absolutely. This was a moment for me when I read the Quran. It was something special happened that I felt there is something, and it was just logic. I'm a very rational, logical person. So for me, it was like, yeah, this is like 1 + 1 is equal to 2. You need to accept Islam. That's where your home is. It was like something I found my heart. You can say it like that. Yeah.
So what's your favorite parts in Quran?
Quran itself is my favorite part, but there are some parts which I keep in my heart always, like the parts about humanity, that humanity is the first thing always, and of course the brotherhood, that you need to care for your family, that you need to stand together, and of course the peace. That peace is something very, very important and high valuable. And if there's one verse in Quran that if you save one person, it's like you save the whole humanity, and that's something I always keep with me. So
Thank you so much, Behan, for giving us your precious time.
you're welcome. Okay, bye.
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 सोनिया की आपने गुफ्तगू सुनी, ईमान अफरोज़ गुफ्तगू थी, और लाहौर और पाकिस्तान के कल्चर के बारे में जो बातें इन्होंने की वो यकीनन आपके दिल में उतरी होंगी। मज़ीद इस तरह की स्टोरीज़ लेकर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर होते रहेंगे। अपने मेज़बान यासिर शामी को इजाज़त दीजिए और देखते रहिए डेली पाकिस्तान। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Allah Hafiz.